Do you guys think I should plaster this recon sticker across my dad's front number plate on his bike and see what he says? What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here watching today. Super nice day. First things first, we have to stop up at my dad's house super fast. I left my air filter there. We have a couple things to do in the truck and we're gonna get right into it, so let's go. Someday we will ride this again. 2019 KTM 150 SX. But today's not that day. We got things to do. Let's go. Huh. Alright, so two problems, right? One problem, the garage door is unhooked from the dang track. No biggie. Second problem is there's a huge wasp beaming around here. And I think they're coming from right there. Alrighty guys, let's try this one more time. Okay, so over there was literally there was wasps zooming around. There was spiders like yay big crawling around on the floor, on the ceiling, on the they were hanging, literally hanging. Long story short, I had to get out of there. Okay, so here's one little thing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the whole issue with my back window being smashed out whenever we were in Nashville. Okay, so see all this stuff here? That is all glue from whenever I had the plastic on the back window in order for us to get from Nashville to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, to come home. So step one is to remove all of that glue from the tape. But the thing is in my mad dash out of that garage, I forgot the goo off, the goo gone stuff, and guys, my sunglasses just took a plunge from way up here as I'm standing on my bedside down onto their lenses. Perfect. Guys, so how about that Super Tech carb cleaner? Did an amazing job of removing that glue. Now that's been on here for quite some time, and I'm telling you, the tiny little spritz on the corner of the rag, gone instantly. Thumbs up to Walmart. Alrighty, so what the heck we are doing today is in this stealth fancy little box right here. Hold on. One more. Oh, there you guys go. A tinted third brake light for my 2017 F250. Okay, so a lot of you guys said now that you have done the tinted taillights from Recon, you must do the tinted third brake light. Even Recon said this themselves on an Instagram post of mine. So here it is. The little camera is out of the OEM third brake light assembly. This thing looks like it actually looks like the camera on this DJI Osmo Action. They look the same. Okay, but real quick before we go any further on that third brake light, I have to change my air filter. Alright guys, you don't want to see this. I think there's quite a difference here. Old, new. The inside's still pretty clean, so I think we were definitely due, and we got our money's worth out of that one. New filter is in. I cleaned the plexiglass or whatever this is cover on the air box, and we're good. This engine bay is in a serious need of detailing. I'm gonna possibly have a cool video for you guys on engine bay cleaning, but that's in the works. Stay tuned, keep an eye out for that. But yeah, check out that filter, man. All right guys, so multiple hours have passed since I last spoke with you guys. Okay, so here you go. We have the Recon tinted taillights along with the Recon tinted third brake light. So I definitely agree along the lines of the black matches the black, but honestly, you know, first impressions of that, even after sitting on it for a few hours and coming to look at it and seeing it again out here, you know, it looks good that it's black up there. I like the black, don't get me wrong. I would definitely keep it black, but the light itself is kind of cheesy. It looks kind of, you know, like generic. I don't know, it's just really not as high-end looking as I would like. Possibly we will tint the factory one and see what that is, but I'm going to run it for now. I'm going to run it for a little bit. The LEDs are very bright. The camera fits in perfectly. I mean, the fitment's great. It's just close up. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. So we're going to leave it for right now, and we're going to see if it grows on me or what. But there it is. The tinted third brake light for the 2017 and up Super Duties to match the tinted taillights. Now the taillights, love the taillights. Absolutely love the taillights. I would not change anything with them. I do really like those. It's just that, you know, is a little, I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment below your thoughts on the tinted third brake light, the black one from Recon. There you go. Alright guys, do me one favor really quick. Hit that subscribe button, join the Strongest Diesel family on YouTube, okay? So we have a whole bunch planned, like some big stuff. Me and Dan from SPE, if you guys follow the channel, you know that I'm pretty intertwined with SPE down there. They create like the sickest powerstroke parts, you know, in the industry. So we have something big planned. Do me one more favor and hit the link in the description and subscribe to our new channel. I'm trying to get a couple subscribers on there before we post our first video. And let me tell you, we've already done it. We filmed it. We have done the whole entire thing, and it's ready to go live. But I want to get some subscribers on there before I'm going to make it live. So, but yeah, I'm still running the Make Powerstrokes Great Again shirts for 15 bucks on the website. The link to that will also be in the description. But that's it, guys. We're out here. We have the baby. I have the stroller still in the truck. So we are going to go for a walk through the park with the baby. She's in there finishing up a snack. And I'm out here filming a YouTube video. There you go. But alright guys, that's it. Stay tuned for some super epic awesome stuff coming your way very soon. But as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!